First shot. Yeah. Hey folks, welcome back. Been wanting to do this cook for a couple weeks now. Been short on time on a lot of stuff, but that's okay. We're doing it tonight and everything's going to be awesome. Unfortunately, it's going to be a little bit faster of a cook than I intended, just due to time. It is what it is. They're going to be delicious, guys. For a few weeks now since I tried this bald buck on chicken, I showed you that video a couple, I think 2 or 3 videos ago. I've been wanting to try this on rub, so that's what we're going to do tonight. It's going to be a little bit faster cook, like I said, and we'll just see how it turns out. Let's get going. Just in time for the smoke to change directions here. That's all right. Guys, I'm just going to throw a little Lee and Pines Worcestershire sauce on here, or however you say it. Y'all know the drill. Follow us up with some bald buck seasoning. I cannot wait to try this. I don't even think I'm gonna glaze these. I'll have some barbecue sauce on the side. I want to try this by itself. And repeat. This stuff pours very easy. I love this. No, I didn't do any trimming on this at all. I'm gonna let this chill out right here while this fire comes up to temp, and we'll get her on there very soon. Get it heated up. Let's get this show on the road. I don't know if I want to go face up to start or not. Alright guys, let's go face up. I will be turning these quite a bit, to be honest with you. Because we're not directly on the coals, but we're directly over the fire. So I need to watch my temps as I go across here. I'm gonna add a single piece of pecan wood right there. Get some smoke rolling on these. I cannot wait. I'll check back in just a bit, guys. We're cooking at about, well, before I opened the lid, I was about 325, 350, and I'm gonna hope to maintain that. It's been about 10 minutes. This thing's running pretty hot, so I'm gonna give these guys a flip. Like I said, it's gonna be a faster cook. Oh yeah. I have a feeling we're gonna go indirect. Come back in a few minutes and we will change this up. We will wrap these guys too, guys. Okay guys, I got a bit of a heat spike, which is fine. No worries yet. I'll move this down here indirect, which is perfectly fine with me. I'm gonna get another piece of wood going in here. A little bit more smoke. We're gonna wrap it before too long. We're maybe close to 20 minutes in. I do want to get a look at that underside. Yeah, that don't bother me a bit there. That's just a little bit of char, a plain kiss. Let's go a little bit longer and we'll wrap it. Okay folks, we are about 30 minutes into this, maybe about 35, possibly close to 40 minutes now. I'm gonna get this wrapped up in some foil and see if we can't steam this off and get her good and tender, or as tender as we can get it doing a fast cook. All right, we're gonna lay this over, face down here. Hey guys, I'm going to just a little. I've been spritzing this mostly off camera. This is apple cider vinegar and some apple juice. About a 50-50 dose. It'll help tender it up and keep it moist inside. There might be a little spilt bourbon in there too. I can't guarantee it's not. center it up. Doing a double wrap on this, make it good and heavy, good and sealed. Beautiful. Get this back in there. All right. Keep her indirect. Loving what I see, guys. I'm gonna check back in about 30 minutes. Alright, let's see what kind of temps we got going here. It's very juicy, very steamy. I don't know if we can see that. Got some cool back. Let's see what kind of temps we got. If I can find it in between the bone there. Not on the bone. Yeah, we're 203, 205. I want to pull this out of the foil, get her back on there, let what bark I have built up reset. Yeah, we're 209. We definitely got to come out of this, but we're going to pull it out, set it back on there. I might even add a little bit more smoke, and we'll get them off here and get a taste test real soon, guys. Oh, that is hot. All right, guys. He's back in, yeah. Look how crooked I got those. And because I can, I'm gonna add just a little bit more smoke on there. Probably about another 10 or so, 15 minutes, and we'll be off of here. All right, guys, she's looking pretty good for a hot and fast cook. Get this off here. Very nice. Get it on our board. Get this over here on our table. Beautiful. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Turn this around. We did get some pull. Alright, guys. Haven't used my old hickory knife in a while. I'm gonna see if I can find a spot in between the bones here. Wow. Alright. Get a few of these cut here. Alright, guys, look at here. Not a lot of smoke ring because it was a fast cook, but it is so juicy, guys. So juicy. Moment of truth, guys. It's the bald buck. Boy, the sun is bright right in front of me. I love it though. Springtime at its finest. I said it was awesome on chicken. It's also awesome on ribs. Oh my God. I was gonna sauce this, but I wanted to taste this without any sauce on it, just so I can get the true flavor of that bald buck's seasoning. Good, very good. Another bite, another bite. Yes, folks, let me tell you, I highly recommend, once again, and I'll be using this. Once this is gone, I will reorder more of this. Bald buck seasoning. They're not paying me to do this, but it's really good sauce. Guys, thank you so much. We will see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.